Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for you. We're diving into the process of creating a RevSSL config file and setting it up on the RevSSL VPN app. This setup ensures faster speeds and a more secure web connection. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First, we need to create the RevSSL config file. Open any web browser on your device and type UDP custom into the search bar. Once the results load, click on the official UDP custom website. This is where we'll download the necessary files. On the UDP custom homepage, find the menu icon. It's usually represented by 3 horizontal lines at the top corner. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options, select SSH server. A new window will pop up. Next, locate and click the RevSSL server option. You'll see a download button labeled Download Config. Click on it, and within seconds, your RevSSL config file will download into your device's download folder. Now go back to the previous menu and find the option to download the RevSSL VPN app. Click on the Install button, and once the app is installed on your device, click Open to launch it. With the app open, locate the 3-dot menu in the top right corner and tap on it. From the drop-down, select Import. Your device's download folder will open. Find the RevSSL config file you just downloaded and tap on it. In a few seconds, the file will be imported successfully. Once the file is imported, simply tap the Start button. And just like that, you're connected to a secure and fast web connection using RevSSL VPN. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.